Criminal trials are where the state, represented by state attorneys, prosecutors in the counties, bring or level criminal charges against an individual. And that's done in the state of Washington by what we call an information. The prosecutor files a charge which just informs somebody and says, this is what we're going to charge you with. And that starts the process where you eventually go to court, work out the case, or wind up in a trial with the jury, depending on what kind of case it is. You usually have in felony cases in Superior Court a jury of 12 people, and it takes all of them to convict. The burden of proof in a criminal case, the term, if you think about it, beyond a reasonable doubt, is confusing because it's almost like a double negative in a way. People say it's a trick, you have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt. It's because in our system, when our country was formed, when we came here and developed our law, we felt it was better philosophically in our system to have 100 people go free rather than have one innocent person convicted of something that he didn't do. That's why the courts in criminal cases have the burden of proof of beyond a reasonable doubt. If you have a reason, if that reason is based on your sense of things and looking at the evidence or the lack of evidence, then you're said to have a reasonable doubt. And the other thing I have to tell you is that in a criminal case, it takes all 12 jurors, if it is tried to a jury, to convict. But it's not something that was just made up. It's for our protection. It's for your protection. It's for everybody's protection to make sure that if somebody is convicted of a crime with all the penalties and all of the prohibitions that go along with the conviction, losing your right to vote, not being able to travel out of the country, not being able to have a firearm, that we can sleep at night because we know, the jury knows, beyond a reasonable doubt that that person is guilty of the crime. And guilty means proven beyond a reasonable doubt. That's how it translates.